Hi guys, do you want to know how I made this beautiful birthday balloon arrangement? If you do, please stick around and I will show you how.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new to this channel, this is Femvam and Y. Thank you guys for coming here and thank you for joining me. To all our subscribers that's always there, thank you guys for coming back. And if you're new to this channel, we're glad to have you here. For today's video, I'll be making another beautiful balloon bouquet, and it's a birthday balloon bouquet, and the theme is Super Mario. Okay, we'll incorporate this with number foil balloon, which is number 11. And this. All the materials that we are using today will be in the description down below. Please check that out. So now we will inflate this. So we'll start off with the red. We will inflate this to 8 inches or 20.32 centimeter using our balloon sizer. So I'd like to make this round. Okay, if you can, like that. Here, you attach this together, just like that. And then connect this. So we will alternate between red and then blue. So these are the bigger balloon that we will be using. So there's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 total balloons here. Alright, so now we will inflate our 5 inches balloon. So we will inflate this to 4.5 inches or 11.43 centimeters. So just like how you did those, it's gonna be like this. Alright, just like that, guys. Alright guys, so now we're ready to connect them all together. So we will start off with our red. So our red quads right here. Put this on top, and now you will need either your 260Q balloon or your fishing line. So with that said, for this particular video, we will be using our 260Q balloon or modeling balloon. You will connect it here, just tie it on your red quad, right there, and then put this on here. So you want this in between the gap, like that. Like that. So followed by your blue. Same thing. You want to line this up in between the gap. So just give it a little push and pull a little and shape it like number 8. Like that, and then the other green. Right there. Okay. Then we'll continue our 260Q balloon. So I'll attach another one. Just connect it here. So you will continue this with the next green on top. Just like that. So we actually need another quads right here of our green, okay? Because we still got one more. So grab your modeling balloon or 260Q and then continue on with this one. And the last one, I'm gonna grab the end here, one of the end of your balloon, and then just tie. There you go, guys. This is our base right here, just like that. Okay, so now we will add our balloon weight. So this is actually balloon filled with water. So if you want to know how I made this one, we have a different video tutorial that you can follow. If you're new to this channel, please check that out. We'll add this on right on the bottom part. So what I'll do is like grab one of your balloon end right here and attach your balloon weight. Just like that, it adds up in there, and I'll put another one on this side. So reach in for one of the ends right here. You'll connect this here as well, or tie this. Just hide it in there, and then that would be in the base. Alright, so we'll put this on the side. Alright, so now we will inflate our modeling balloon or 260Q balloon. Again, you will stretch this one first, and then you pump. Maybe 3 pumps and leaving a little on the tip. Like that. So make it nice and soft to squeeze this so it won't pop easily. So I actually already pre-made some of this here. So now we also need our number 1 balloon. So this is for 11-year-old birthday boy. So we'll need 2 number 1. So I got it right here. Right there, guys. So I'll put this on the side for now. So now we'll wrap this on our number 1. So you go like that, pinch and then twist. Then the next one is blue. Then you will pinch and twist. And again, pinch and twist. So it will look like that. So the extra balloon here, you just have to cut this off. And tie it right here. And then just connect them all three together. And then just cut the excess. So do the same thing on the other number 1. Alright guys, so now we're ready to attach our number 11. We'll connect this together. So we'll be using our balloon glue dots. So we'll mount it here, just like that. Okay, so make this a little higher. So they'll connect right there. So this number foil balloon right here, it comes with a balloon glue dots, or you can use your regular balloon glue dots. So we'll put one here. So they're connected right on here, and we'll connect one here as well. And I'll connect more so it's securely attached. Connect one here. There you go, guys. There's our number 11. Alright, so now we're ready to attach Super Mario right here. Mario is gonna be right on here. We will use our balloon glue dots again to attach this here. So lots of balloon glue dots. I put a lot here so it's securely connected to your base. There's a lot of balloon glue dots there. So just like that, we'll attach this here. So I'll let it hang just a little. there's Mario right here. So if you lift this up, it's nice and sturdy. See, it's not going nowhere. So it's securely attached to your base. So we'll do the same thing with number 11. We'll attach this on this side, just like that. Again, we'll be using our balloon glue dots. So now we'll attach our number 11 balloon glue dots down there. And then we'll put glue dots right on here as well, so they'll be connected and more stable. So now, looking good so far, right there. So for the center one right here, we will add this mushroom right here. And again, we'll use our balloon glue dots to connect this here. Right, guys? So if you want to know how I made this one, please let me know. Please leave it in the comment section down below. If you want to see how I made this in a separate video tutorial, please let me know and I will gladly show it to you guys. So with that said, we'll attach this right on here. Alright, so now we will also add this one right here. So again, if you want to know how we made this one, we have a different video tutorial that you can follow. Please check that out right there. And this is easy to make. So for this gap on here, right there, we will cover it with one of this. So I just like connect it together. Like that. And then you just have to put it there to cover it with. Okay, so we'll put it right on here, just like that, and we'll just use this. And then your coil balloon, so just put it here to give it an extra look, and it's so nice. Alright guys, for the final touch, we'll use this vinyl sticker. This is actually printed from our Cameo 4 machine. If you want to know how we made this, please check our video. And right there. There you go guys, it's finally done. I hope you like this arrangement today. This is our birthday balloon bouquet. Theme is obviously Super Mario. And I hope you guys like this. And if you want to know how I made this mushroom right here, please let me know in the comment section down below. I will probably show this to you guys on our next video. It will be a short video. Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed us yet, please subscribe to our channel. Please stick around for our comments of the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, this is FamMNY. We will see you guys in the next video. I hope you learned something from this channel today, from this video today. And take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.